Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how you can style yourself if you've just started a brand new corporate job, or if you're already working in the corporate space and you're looking to revamp your wardrobe. You might be unsure of how to build a professional wardrobe, so we'll start from scratch. The key here is to help you find a balance between professionalism and personal style, something that feels polished and appropriate for the office but also makes you feel confident. The first step will be to assess your company culture. Before you even step foot into a store or pulling looks together, the first thing you should do is to get a feel for your company culture. Is it more conservative, or is there room for a bit of creativity in how people dress? Is it formal, business casual, or somewhere in between? This is key because you don't want to show up overdressed or underdressed. First impressions matter, and your style plays a big role in that. Now, some corporate environments are all about suits and formal wear, while others have a more relaxed dress code. You can play with colors and patterns. Knowing the vibe of the workplace is really crucial because it will set the tone for choosing the outfits. The second step is to start choosing your foundation pieces. Now, every corporate wardrobe needs a few solid foundation pieces. These are the items that you can mix and match throughout the week without feeling that you're wearing the same thing all the time. And here's how you start. Start with a good and structured blazer, and this is really non-negotiable. It instantly pulls any outfit together and makes it look polished. I'd suggest invest in at least two, one in a neutral color like black, navy, or gray, and one in a color that reflects your personality a bit more. It could be deep burgundy or even a subtle plaid. Tailored trousers are another essential. You'd want to go for high-waisted, slightly tapered, or even wide leg styles, depending on your body shape. I always say fit is everything. You should feel comfortable but also look sharp, so you should definitely try on a few different cuts. Neutral tones like black, grey, or camel are perfect for versatility, but maybe throw in a pair with a subtle check or stripe for variety. Blouses and shirts are another essential for your corporate wardrobe. This is where you can have a little fun. I'd recommend a mix of crisp white button downs and a few silk or satin blouses for those days when you want to feel a bit more elevated. A blouse with even a bow tie or even a subtle print adds interest without being too loud. Pencil skirts and midi skirts are another essentials for your corporate wardrobe, and they are always a classic choice. A black or grey pencil skirt can be paired with almost any top for a sleek look. However, midi skirts are a bit more trendy and modern, and they work great with both blouses and fitted sweaters for a chic and professional vibe. Layering is your best friend when it comes to fall and winter, especially in the office. Layering is key. I'd suggest look at lightweight knits, so a fitted turtleneck or a fine knit sweater can be layered under blazers or worn on their own with tailored trousers. You can also get cardigans for days when you want something softer and less structured than a blazer. An elegant cardigan works wonders. Try long line cardigans in neutral shades that can be layered over dresses or paired with trousers. Step 4, we've got shoes and accessories. Now, shoes and accessories can really take an outfit from basic to stand out without much effort. For shoes, I'd recommend classic pumps. A good pair of pumps about 2 to 3 inches high in black or nude is a staple. They go with everything from dresses to trousers and are perfect for a corporate setting. Now, another type of shoes I would also recommend are loafers or Oxfords. If you're not a heels person, sleek loafers or Oxfords are a great option that still looks professional but offers more comfort for you. For accessories, I'd suggest minimal jewelry like a pair of stud earrings, a simple necklace, or a watch. I'm a firm believer that less is more in a corporate setting, but a statement piece every now and then can add personality. While we're focusing on building a polished professional wardrobe, I will encourage you to infuse your own personal style. This means incorporating color, patterns, or textures that reflect who you are. Maybe it's a printed scarf, a brightly colored handbag, or even a blazer with a unique lining that makes you feel a bit more in an office environment. I want us to strike a balance between adhering to corporate standards and making you feel authentic in your look. Step 6, we have the final touches, which are the outerwear and bags. Don't sleep on outerwear. A chic coat can elevate your entire look. I'd recommend a tailored wool coat for colder months and maybe a trench coat for those transitional seasons. A structured tote bag is also essential. It needs to be big enough to fit a laptop but still stylish and sleek. Finally, start to mix and match these pieces to create different looks throughout the week. For example, the same trousers can be worn with a blouse one day and a knit sweater and blazer another day. The beauty of it is you now have outfits for weeks that all work together seamlessly. At the end of the day, the most important thing is that you feel confident in what you're wearing. Corporate style does not have to be boring, and it doesn't have to feel like a uniform. It's about finding those pieces that make you feel empowered and ready to take on your new role. So to all the professionals out there, especially the new ones, don't be afraid to invest in quality basics, play with layers, and add a little bit of your personality into your corporate wardrobe. When you look good, feel good, and that's the kind of energy you want to bring into the office. I hope this gave you some inspiration for building your own professional wardrobe. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more style tips. Let me know in the comments how you approach corporate fashion and what pieces you can't live without. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye now.